Greetings, everyone. Am I recording? No. Am I?
Are you?
Oh, yes, I am. Greetings, everyone. This is Kamishna from Kamishna's Corner and Sensational Touch. And I'm just doing a little urban garden update. Well, more than an update. I'm replanting my plants from these here into actual plant pots. And I have my little helper here. Would you like to say hi?
Hi.
They can't see you because I don't want them to see you, but they can hear your voice. You gotta speak loud. You gotta say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
She's gonna help me plant today. So the first thing we're gonna do is, because we want our soil to have lots and lots of nutrients in it, so we're gonna use organic soil. So this organic is a soil that's used for flower, vegetable gardens, annuals, perennials, trees, and shrubs. That's the type of soil I got. It's all organic. It contains shrimp and seaweed in this soil. So it's a really good soil that I got from our local plant store. And then I kept my eggshells and I will grind them up. So I have eggshells that I'm going to add to the earth. And I also have some all-purpose Joby's Organics granular plant food. So we're going to mix all that together into our pot, and then we're going to put our plants in it. We're going to start with our leek and our celery. I'm going to put the leek and the celery in one pot. I'm not sure if that's going to be a good idea or not. I know leeks can get kind of big. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should put leeks in one, celery in one. I'm not too sure. What do you think? Should I have two separate pots or put it all in the same pot?
Put it all in the same pot.
Well, there you go. She said put it all in the same pot. Don't know if that's a great idea, but that's what we're going to do. So we're going to put the leeks and the celery together, and then we'll put the scallions in others. And here's the celery that I started to grow in my cup. This is my growing cup. Well, it's a cup that I've repurposed for a growing cup. And scallions, and here is my leek. All right. We're not going to... You like leeks? You know what leeks are? It's kind of like a gigantic scallion. It's kind of like one of these, but really, really big. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I like this.
So you ready to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to first start off with the dirt. So you can take some of this dirt in here. This is just dirt in this big gray pot. Take some and put it in this pot. You're going to put that dirt in this pot, and I'm going to put some in this pot. Take a whole handful. Put a whole lot. Go ahead. There you go. Put it in. Yay. All right, so we're going to get our hands dirty. It's okay. That's why we have soap and water. Now that dirt in that pot right there has been kind of sitting there for a minute.
It's dry.
Yeah, it's really dry because it's been sitting out in the air. So I don't know how deep the roots of a leek get. So I'm going to add a little bit of our fertilizer as we go along. Just keep adding dirt. Keep adding the dirt. I'm going to put a little bit of fertilizer. Don't drop it from too high. Not too high, because then it's going to make dust plumes. You don't want dust plumes all over the place.
What's that?
I wonder if you guys can see well. Let's try to move this over some more.
What's this?
Hmm?
What's this?
What's what? Oh, what is that? Oh, I forgot I had put garlic in there. I put a bulb of garlic trying to grow it. It didn't grow. So, that's in there. We're just going to leave it. If it grows, that's great. But I don't think it will. Oh. See, that's why I said don't drop it from high. Because then you're going to get plumes of dust. That's going to be all in our eyeballs and our face.
I don't like eyeballs.
You like your eyeballs? Yeah, I like my eyeballs without dust.
Do you like to put makeup on them?
Sometimes I put makeup on, but not that often. I don't really like makeup too much.
My mom likes me to.
What? Your mom lets you wear makeup?
No, she's not.
It's
It's only for my performance.
Oh, when you dance? Oh, cool. My daughter used to teach me to look like. And maybe more makeup too. Makes it look good. Okay, just a little bit more of this.
I think it's really
Because this is like powder is dust.
powder. My powder's
something big and yellow is outside. Okay, doesn't need air, but what else? Big and yellow and hot. Outside. What makes the summer? What makes it warm in the summer? What thing that's outside makes it warm in the summer? It's something that we have outside. No, God, it's not. Okay, so we have our list done. Yay. It's okay. Let's not go. Now let's do our scallions. The sun. That's big and round and yellow. Yeah. Plants need the sun. They need the water. They need the earth. The nutrients in the earth. Oh wait, we're supposed to put it all together. We forgot to put it in the celery. Okay, well. We forgot to put celery. I forgot that fact. You're gonna make potato pie? We'll put some more right here. Go ahead and start some to make potato pie.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
I like to put some of this stuff. You gonna put some of this. I'm gonna put some more eggshells. We're just gonna line it up. Maybe that's what these are, eggshells. Eggshells are good for the plant. Lots of nerves. Oh gosh. Okay, that's a what happened? I don't like the smell of this. Okay, just keep putting some more dirt. A handful of this. And then they're gonna mix this up as well.
Just stick this one.
Okay.
Sounds like a stick.
Yeah, this sticks break down to be nice, finely ground earth. Yep. So you'll find sticks. There's all kind of organic matter. That's like stuff that was food, or plants, or sticks, that's now turning slowly to earth, to dirt. Nice, black, smooth earth. It's very good for your plants. Has lots of nutrients. And then those nutrients get into the food that you're going to pick that grows in it. And then once it's in the food, it gets into our bodies because we eat the food. So the earth has to have good nutrients so that the plants can have good nutrients, so then our bodies can have good nutrients. Isn't that great? It's like the cycle. Cycle of life. Okay, a little bit more on the top, not too much. A little bit more of, you can put some more of that. You can put a little bit more of that. You put a little bit more of this. Go ahead. No, put it inside. Ah! That's okay. That's why we put plastic down, in case we make a mistake and we make a mess. Okay, gonna mix this up. Oh, you're so silly. Alright, you're gonna help me put these in here? Okay, I'm gonna move these to the side. We're gonna have to put, I was supposed to get a wider pot for the ginger. Yeah, they say ginger needs a wide pot.
Oh, I like ginger.
Yeah, that's some good stuff, man. That's some good stuff, man.
You know, I like ginger pie, but I like ginger spice, sugar spice cookies.
Ginger pie?
Ginger spice cookies.
Oh, I like ginger snap cookies. But I guess ginger spice cookies is the same thing. I don't really know.
Yeah, I like the spiciness in my...
Okay, now we're going to put the scallions in here.
Scallions?
Let's do, yeah. We're going to put the scallions kind of on this side, and we'll put the celery on that side. I don't know if this is enough.
You love it?
Enough
do you
space.
Like to, do you like to eat the scallions?
Oh, there's no roots in here. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if this is going to grow. I thought it grew some roots at the bottom, but there were no roots. I don't know if I should leave it or what. Well, since this is kind of like an experiment, I guess we'll try it anyway. But we're going to put the scallions in.
I like those.
You like scallions? Yeah, I like
I
scallions.
eat them for dinner sometimes and lunch when I was little.
Open up. You don't want to pick it up?
You.
She's like, no, I don't want to.
Just like something.
Here, you can put that right here. Put the roots down. No, right over here. Don't push it. Just lay it. Yeah, there you go.
It feels like a little bit squishy.
Let's put a hole right here. Okay, take another one. We're going to put it in the holes.
It's like so like...
Yeah, right here. Right there. No, right there. Yep. And I'm going to cover it up.
I like the smell of these ones.
Put that right there. No, right here. Hold it. Yes.
I like the squid ones.
Smell. Yeah, I smell them a little bit. I didn't smell them before. Yeah, I put that one right here. and cheese.
Yes, I know
Okay,
that.
we're gonna pull your mac and cheese card because mac and cheese is not supposed to be eaten with celery, so we're just gonna pull your card. No longer accepted to the mac and cheese club because you don't know how to eat mac and cheese properly. Sorry, gotta pull your card. You should see the look on her face. She's looking at me like, "Lady, what are you talking about? You can't eat celery with mac and cheese."
I eat broccoli with mac and cheese.
Okay, now that's a good combo. Yes, broccoli with mac and cheese is a good combo. But celery, that's kind of gross, man. Yeah, just a little bit.
You know, the last time when I was little, I liked sushi with mac and cheese.
Sushi and mac and cheese?
Yes.
Okay.
I did like it because that was my favorite.
Well, sushi is a little different. That and mac and cheese, I can get with that.
Sushi's delicious for me.
At least a little bit.
You like it?
Yeah. All right. We was gonna put the celery in here, but we're not going to again.
Celery has no roots. I love
It doesn't have
celery.
any roots on the celery. I don't know if it's gonna grow well.
I like celery. It's delicious. I just eat celery with nothing.
With nothing?
Yeah.
Just celery by itself?
Yeah.
No cream cheese, no peanut butter?
No.
No.
I didn't like it. I
All
just
right.
like cheese on it.
We're gonna put a little bit of water
That's a good call.
because all plants love
Water.
water.
Are you gonna drink it?
Well, they are eventually. The earth is gonna stay kind of wet,
It's Earth
and then
Day.
eventually. No, today's not Earth Day.
When is Earth Day?
I have no idea. I think it's in April sometime.
April.
Yeah, sometime in April.
I love
Let's
Earth
see.
Day.
Okay, so that's gonna come through the water. The excess water will come through the bottom. So I don't know what to do with the celery because there's no roots, as you can see. I don't know if I should leave it to let it root some more, or to let it see if it's going to root. I think I'm gonna leave it in there for a little longer and hope that some roots will grow. So this is us. We planted our scallions and we planted our leek. Let's put the leek in the middle. We didn't plant the celery because there were no roots, and I don't think it's gonna take if it has no roots. I really don't know because I've seen people plant other stuff with no roots and they just put it in there and it eventually grows roots. Maybe we should try it. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Plant it anyway?
Yeah.
She says yes. Okay, so we're gonna plant it anyway.
I love it.
What do you love?
I like some broccoli. You know, I'm a little bit of.
She's getting away from the dust. So she said we should plant it anyway. So we're gonna plant it anyway. So I'm gonna put some.
Yeah, sometimes it gets in my eyes.
What gets in your eyes? Oh yeah. If it's too
I
much
didn't know
dust
that.
flying up in the air and
Yes,
getting in your
I go
eyes.
to the doctor.
Yeah, and you go to the doctor. Is it dirty? Say that would have to be a whole lot of dirt in your eye to go to the doctor for it.
Yeah, I will sleep. I'm going to go to sleep.
Especially two
Everything
plant
when I'm
rots
going to go
together.
to sleep. I'm going to go to sleep, and then my mommy's going to say, and then my family's going to be sad. Sometimes they get mad when I go to the doctor. Sometimes I get sad when
Blow.
I
There you go.
go to the doctor.
Yeah. So we're gonna
I was so
mix
scared.
this together.
No, I wasn't so scared. I was a little bit scared. Last time when I went to the doctor, my foot got hurt. I stepped on the cat. When
You stepped on your cat?
cat.
Oh, a cap.
Yeah, and
Oh,
then
you
I
had no
got
shoes on?
hurt. Yeah, and then my daddy sent me to the hospital.
Oh, that's a good thing. He said she has to make sure there was no problems with your foot. Stepping on the cat. Yeah, see, that's why you have to wear shoes when you're outside. So you know, especially in the city. If you were in somewhere where had a lot of earth,
Yeah, I did.
not a whole lot of stuff.
I did my shoe.
Okay, here we go. I'm putting the celery in. You think it's gonna grow? You think so? Okay, wait. I'm gonna make a quick hole.
That was my dad.
Yeah.
My mom like so mad at him because it tells
Oh,
lies.
wait. No, we're not talking about that. You're gonna have to edit that part out. We're gonna be live on YouTube. We're not gonna be talking about our parents. Okay, so he had to edit that part out. Oh my goodness.
Do you like plants?
I do like plants.
I like nature.
You like nature? Me too. All kinds of nature. I like nature in the sea, I like nature on the land. Really? You went fishing before? You ever caught fish? Really? You're good at fishing? I've never gone fishing before. You have. I've been on a boat, but I've never been fishing. Pretty cool. All right, let's pick this up off the plastic. Push that down a little bit, and let's give this some water too. And we are done, young lady. Ooh.
So pretty. That's finished?
Yep, I'm hoping it's gonna root. I don't know. We are gonna find out. Okay, so we planted our leek. We planted our scallions back here, and we planted our celery. It didn't have any roots, but we planted it anyway. The little one said we should plant it, so I tried, and there we go. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Put some comments down below if there's anything you would like to see me planting next. And if you have any thoughts, ideas, or suggestions on what we can do to make sure that these are, doing well, and please share the video and hit the notifications button so the next time we upload a video, you will be sure to get notified. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Say bye. She left.